In 30 seconds, you are going to discover what Einstein's general relativity actually is. Set the timer. Einstein envisioned the fabric of space, aka spacetime, as a dynamic entity bending and warping around massive objects. Imagine you're standing on a trampoline. The fabric sinks, creating a curve around you. Now roll tennis balls on the trampoline. They don't follow straight paths. They move along the curves created by you. This is gravity in action, the warping of space-time by mass. 30 seconds, I told you my G, Einstein is not complicated. Let's keep going. Einstein had a revolutionary idea. The faster you move, the slower time ticks for you. But this isn't something that we notice in our daily lives. It's only when you get super close to the speed of light that time starts acting weird. 299,792,458 meters per second. Did it. As you approach this speed, time begins to crawl. Photons are fundamental and indivisible particles of light, and for photons, time doesn't exist. This means that from the photon's perspective, its birth in the sun and its arrival on Earth are simultaneous events occurring at the same time. But from a human perspective, light takes 8 minutes and 20 seconds to travel from the sun to Earth. Time dilation sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, but it's real. Time dilation is the idea that time can stretch or shrink depending on how fast you're moving. Satellites orbiting Earth, for instance, experience time slightly differently than we do on the surface because they are moving faster. This effect, though minuscule, is significant enough that we have to account for it with systems like GPS, otherwise they don't work correctly. Did you know that the speed that our planet rotates is slowing down? Thanks to the gravitational tango with our moon, Earth's spin is gradually slowing. Rewind to the time of the T-Rex during the late Cretaceous period, and a day was roughly 23 hours. As the Earth continues on its cosmic journey of existence, the length of the day will subtly increase. Everything, from the tiniest ant to the mightiest planet, tugs on the fabric of space-time, creating little dents. The bigger the object, the deeper the dent. Imagine a supermassive planet. Its gravitational pull would be so intense that it would twist space-time into wild contortions, making time near it slow to a crawl. We humans love to measure stuff, and time is no exception. Time is a man-made concept. It doesn't exist. Think about it. We have defined a day by one Earth rotation and a year by one orbit around the sun. But in the grand cosmic theatre, these measures are arbitrary. If you spent a year on Mercury, that would be about 88 Earth days. Venus orbits around the sun quicker than it rotates. A year on Venus is 225 Earth days, while a day on Venus is 243 Earth days. A day on Mars is similar to us, it's just a bit longer. However, a year is almost twice as long. It's about 687 Earth days. The twin paradox is more than a thought experiment. It's a window into the relativistic nature of time. Imagine you have two twins, Alex and Taylor. Alex remains on Earth, while Taylor hops into a spaceship that can travel near the speed of light. This spaceship can travel so fast, it can go around the planet Earth 7.5 times in 1 second. Taylor is on his space adventure for what would be 5 years for Taylor. However, when he gets back to Earth, he's in shock. Alex is going through Earth's regular flow of time and has aged a whopping 110 years. By traveling so fast, Taylor has essentially time traveled into the future. Time travel has long been a staple of science fiction, but in the realm of theoretical physics, it's an exciting prospect. Wormholes, tunnels in space-time, might offer shortcuts across vast cosmic distances or even bridges to different times. Black holes, with their immense gravitational pull, are theorized to be gateways to these wormholes. Venturing into a black hole might lead to another universe, a different epoch, or perhaps to realms beyond our current understanding. If a wormhole exists inside a black hole, it could even lead to a past point in our universe. Time is a blend of cosmic forces, human constructs, and the mysterious nature of reality itself. From the intricacies of space-time to the mind-bending effects of relativity, the universe offers endless wonders and mysteries, waiting to be unraveled. I am the Saintly Scientist, and I dive deep into science and spirituality. Wow! You can read more about Einstein's general relativity, Hawking radiation, thermodynamics, and quantum mechanics in my book, The Science of Light, Everything Explained, in Young Explorer Edition and Adults Edition. A crazy amount of scientific knowledge and detail, and it's a colouring book. Only £8.88. Get yours today. Click the link in my bio, take it to the Amazon page.